This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable tab grouping in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. If you're like me, I have a lot of tabs opened all the time and I frequently will move around my tabs, but if I do it wrong, I end up accidentally starting tab groups. I like to disable my tab grouping. I'm going to hit cancel. The way to enable or disable tab groups, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the address bar, put your cursor in there, erase whatever's in there, and type about :config. Hit enter. On this page you come to it says proceed with caution. Changing advanced configuration preferences can impact Firefox's performance or security. Click on accept risk and continue. And on this page at the very top up here you want to type in browser.tabs.groups.enabled. Right here, browser.tabs.groups.enabled. It is by default set to true. It is turned on. Tab grouping is turned on. If you go off to the far right, there's a little toggle here. If I click on this toggle, now as you can see it's set to false. Tab grouping has been turned off. Now if I move my tabs around, they don't want to lock together. Tab grouping has been turned off. But that is how to enable or disable tab grouping in the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.